Hello guys and welcome to TechGlob YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you another video how to allow domain users to remote desktop to all computer using group policy in Windows Server 2022. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to open the server manager, and the purpose of enabling domain users to remote desktop to all computers using group policy on Windows Server is to allow users to access and control a computer from another location. This is particularly useful when you need to access a computer that is not physically accessible, or when you need to work remotely by following these steps. You can enable domain users to remote desktop to all computers using group policy on Windows Server. Okay, and now I'm going to the server manager, and on the right side tools I'm going to click that and select Active Directory users and computers, and this is my domain name built-in. This is the international security groups. Okay, so in this groups I'm going to create an additional one more group. Okay, and right click, select new and group. Here I'm gonna type allow user remote desktop. This is the group name. Click OK. This is my OU, and these are the users. Okay, for domain users, this is my client machine. Okay, so first I will show you the client machine, which is Windows 10 Pro, and open computer properties, go to advanced system settings, and you can see here remote desktop is the current status is not allow. So I'm going to administratively enable from the server. Select the user. You can see here not selected any user. Okay, so I'm gonna enable, and I will show you the group also, and see here not enable any groups for remote desktop. Okay, and I'm going to create right now. So go back to the Windows Server, and we have created already the allow user remote desktop. Select the allow user remote desktop. I'm gonna right click, add members, and click add, and select advanced, and find here you have to select the user. This is the HR user. I'm going to select and click OK, and apply, then click OK. We have created the group and user, and this is the client computer. And I'm going back to the server manager again, and click tools and select group policy management. This group policy management, I'm gonna create a new GPO OU client computer. I'm gonna right click and create a GPO, enter the name allow user remote desktop, click OK. Select that GPO and right click and edit, and here going to select under the computer configurations, expand the policies and Windows settings, and select the security settings. On the right side you can find restricted groups and double click. On the empty place I'm going to right click and create a add group. Okay, then after that and browse, select advanced and find here you have to select allow user remote desktop. I'm going to click OK. Now the allow user remote desktop is selected and click OK and OK. And after that the small window open, and the second option you have to select this group is a member of. I'm going to click add and browse again and select advanced, find. Here I'm going to select remote desktop user. Okay, select and click OK and click OK, OK again and apply and OK. Then go back to administrative templates, expand and select Windows components. When you come down you will find and select remote desktop section host, expand again and select connections. Okay, on the right side you will see allow users to connect remotely by using remote desktop services. I'm gonna double click, enable and apply, then OK, and go back to the security, select require user authentication and double click, enable and apply, then OK. So after the configurations, update the group policy. I'm going to open the run command and type cmd and enter here gp update / and force and hit enter. Once the group policy updated, go back to the client computer which is Windows 10, and here also need to update the group policy. On the cmd command prompt type gp update / and force and hit enter. Once the group policy has been updated, go back to the Windows Server machine. Now I'm going to open the remote desktop connections, open the run and type mstsc, hit enter. You will get the remote desktop connection module. I'm gonna type the computer name, the client 1 and connect. Now you see the security for authentication. Use a different account, the hr@techglobe.local, then enter the password, click OK. Client computer remotely accessing, and we have successfully accessed the client computer by using remote desktop. Okay, so right click on this PC and go to properties, and I will show you we have created the settings. Go to the advanced system settings and type on the remote section. You can see administratively enable the allow remote connections to this computer. Okay, and select the user. You will see the allow user remote desktop group we have created inside the Windows Server machine. Okay, it's successfully we have created, and right click this PC and select manage. Select the local users groups and select the groups. You will find we have created the groups. You will see administrators. I'm gonna double click and you'll see the administrator and the domain admins, the user. Okay, so these are the way how to configure the remote connections for the client computer. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.